ya Nyamira asa umugabane we county eyo ya Nyamira Mos Nyaribasiri twerera nyarako bakora omoroberio buko bwatuka amarioga gochia sechi nyagitari imeye county ya marioga yoisa inego etane shilingi chimilion merongo ebere na kianda nigara chikoba kwene kebuna nyareko ba gagosira emeroberio ya botambe yobochenu sechi nyagitari nonyara boni go nyari boboigo nyareko bagakoboria abanyagitari batiri bali baterinete chinyagitari abanyareko ba kwene kinga mariogo ayenya ko bagotumeka senchere gwenerete.
We don't have an healthy county, then productivity will be low. And once productivity is low, the economy sinks. That's why health is number one. We have been having challenges because of the escalation, of course, of medical service. But as a government, we are trying as much as possible to make sure that from today going forward, we need to secure our people from unscrupulous businessmen who operate chemists. They are good partners, we agree, but the cost of drugs has been moving up to an extent that the common man cannot afford. This 29.2 will be spread out to facilities, the level of dispensaries and health centers, 11.6 million, and the balance 17.6 million will go to county referral and sub-county hospitals. My appeal is to health workers to utilize these drugs prudently and secure their safety.